How to check watch history on X Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the X Twitter application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, first of all, let's log into our account over here. So let's relaunch the X Twitter application on our device over here. So as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So tap on the profile at the top left corner, then tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now all you have to do is tap on your account over here, and as you tap on your account, you can see the option of download and archive of your data. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, it will land you to a new page over here where you can see that it gives you the options of verifying your password. So you just have to enter your X password to continue over here. So as you enter your password, it will start verifying, and after you verify, you'll be able to download the data and you'll be able to check your watch history on that data itself. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.